Hey guys, Rex Works Outdoors. Today we are finishing up my land plane that we worked on yesterday. We got it all cut out, we got it all tacked together and ready to go for the full weld. I did that a while ago. Wasn't no sense in recording all of just continuous weld beads, but now I'm fixing to clean it up, grind it up, and put some paint on it. This is what it looks like after we got it all welded up. I did triple pass on the big stuff, did single pass welds on the small stuff down here, and did some triple pass stuff down there. So I think it'll hold up. No more than what it actually does. It doesn't lift any weight. It just pushes and pulls. So we're gonna get it ground up, get it cleaned up real quick, and throw some rattle can paint on it. Stick around. Alright guys, so this is what I'm going to be painting this attachment with. It's the Magic tractor truck and implement spray. I got a can of primer and then a couple cans of paint. Just going to paint it black and go from there. I've done a couple quick video researches, and I could use Krylon or Rust-Oleum or whatever, but this was at my local Tractor Supply, and I figured I'd give it a go. Stick around. I should wipe this thing down with some type of cleaner or some type of solvent before I prime it and paint it, but hey, it's an attachment. It's not a showpiece. I just want to slow down the rust. Alright guys, so I've got this thing primed and I've got it painted. I've got one coat of paint on it. I bought 2 cans in case I want to add another coat. I'm probably not going to, at least not at this point. It's perfectly good to me. It's black, all the welds are covered up. I built this out of scrap, essentially. What I had to buy is I bought this plate off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. This thing was $50 and it's actually built pretty decent. It's a 1/4 inch plate. I did have to go in where they fold this. They weld it, but then they grind the welds off, and the welds were really thin, so I cut a V-groove where this plate and that plate meet and re-welded them top and bottom just to make sure that it is good to go. I triple welded 3 beads around this all the way around it. This is just 2 by 2 by 1/4 angle. That was scrap angle. This is an old road grader blade that I got from a local government, from one of our local cities that was going to throw it away. I did buy these. I drew this up and sent it to a buddy of mine that's got a plasma cutter, and he cut them out of 3/8 plate. This is scrap metal that I got. So altogether in this, counting the paint, I've got $120 in this thing, which to me is a steal, because this thing is built way heavier than anything I've seen online for 3 times that much. So this has been Rex with Rex Works Outdoors. I hope you liked the video. If you did, I will put links to more videos in the corner. Make sure you like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.